In re-engineered buildings, insulation is not just about temperature control. It defines how a structure performs in a fire. Across India, fire accidents in PEB and across industry facilities cause significant losses of property, production and sometimes lives. National Building Code of India 2016 lays down clear guidelines emphasizing the use of fire-rated materials to ensure building safety. When heat, oxygen and combustible material come together, fire ignites. The right insulation can slow, resist or stop the spread. In the PEB segment, 4 major insulation materials are commonly used: stone wool, glass wool, bubble and XLPE. To understand their real performance, we conducted a live burning test. Same ignition, same conditions, real results. When we compare bubble with stone wool, we see that plastic bubble insulation ignites rapidly. It produces toxic smoke. It also results in falling fire droplets. Stone wool resists ignition and remains stable. Glass wool resists ignition and limits flame spread, while bubble continues to burn aggressively. When we compare stone wool with XLPE, we see that XLPE burns with rapid loss of mass. It results in falling fire droplets and high smoke emission. Stone wool, on the other hand, withstands heat and prevents fire propagation. XLPE propagates flames quickly. Glass wool, on the other hand, resists ignition and retains integrity. In every test, stone wool and glass wool outperformed bubble and XLPE. Lower smoke, no droplets, no flame spread. Saint Gobain stone wool and glass wool insulation is FM approved, meeting international standards for fire safety and compliance. For PEB structures, choose insulation that performs when it matters the most. Saint Gobain is making the world a better home, and insulation in it makes it a safer one.